Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frēlē, the free and honest rental marketplace. Today's rental tip comes to you from Times Square. How long does it take for a landlord to process your rental application? Generally speaking, the landlord should get back to you within 1 or 2 business days. But here are some factors that could prolong the process. First, the landlord may not reside in New York City, and sometimes even out of the country. Second, there could be another application on the unit. Third, sometimes a background check could take several days. And finally, if there's a broker or managing agent involved, that's another person whose schedule you'll have to work around. For more information on this or other rental tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to Frele.com/learn.